If you want to learn how to manage money, grow wealth, and achieve financial freedom, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Because on this channel, we share simple ideas that can help you build a better financial life. Now, let's begin. 50 personal money management tips. Tip number 1, track every expense, because if you don't know where your money goes, you can never control it. Tip number 2, create a monthly budget and follow it. A budget gives your money a clear direction. Tip number 3, pay yourself first. Save money before spending, not after. Tip number 4, try to save at least 20% of your income. Small savings today create big wealth tomorrow. Tip number 5, build an emergency fund. At least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, because life is unpredictable. Tip number 6, avoid unnecessary debt. Debt steals your future income. Tip number 7, use debit or cash whenever possible. This helps control spending. Tip number 8, set clear financial goals. Without goals, money disappears. Tip number 9, separate needs from wants. Needs are survival. Wants are lifestyle. Tip number 10, review your bank statements regularly. Awareness creates financial control. Tip number 11, automate your savings. Make saving automatic. Tip number 12, avoid impulse buying. Give yourself 24 hours before buying something expensive. Tip number 13, always compare prices before purchasing. Smart buyers save more. Tip number 14, cancel subscriptions you don't use. Small leaks sink big ships. Tip number 15, track small daily spending. Coffee, snacks, delivery, they add up faster than you think. Tip number 16, avoid lifestyle inflation. When income increases, don't increase spending immediately. Tip number 17, find ways to increase your income. Money management improves with higher income. Tip number 18, always keep a long-term financial plan. Planning creates direction. Tip number 19, start investing as early as possible. Time is the greatest wealth builder. Tip number 20, learn the basics of investing. Knowledge protects your money. Tip number 21, diversify your investments. Never rely on just one source. Tip number 22, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Real wealth grows slowly. Tip number 23, invest consistently every month. Consistency beats timing. Tip number 24, think long-term when investing. Short-term thinking destroys wealth. Tip number 25, reinvest your profits. Let compound growth do the work. Tip number 26, understand compound interest. It is the most powerful force in wealth building. Tip number 27, avoid unnecessary bank fees. Small fees slowly drain money. Tip number 28, keep learning about money. Financial education never ends. Tip number 29, build multiple income streams. Never depend on just one income source. Tip number 30, develop valuable skills. Skills increase income potential. Tip number 31, avoid emotional spending. Spend with logic, not feelings. Tip number 32, always pay credit card balances fully. Interest destroys wealth. Tip number 33, protect your finances with insurance. Protection prevents financial disaster. Tip number 34, keep your financial system simple. Simple systems work better. Tip number 35, set yearly financial goals. Growth requires direction. Tip number 36, save unexpected money like bonuses or gifts. Windfalls grow wealth faster. Tip number 37, plan for retirement early. Time multiplies your savings. Tip number 38, Practice financial discipline daily. Discipline creates freedom. Tip number 39. Track your net worth every year. Growth becomes visible. Tip number 40. Invest in yourself and education. Knowledge increases lifetime income. Tip number 41. Avoid comparing your lifestyle with others. Comparison leads to unnecessary spending. Tip number 42. Focus on financial freedom, not just income. Income alone does not create wealth. Tip number 43. Build passive income streams. Money should work for you. Tip number 44. Review your budget every month. Small adjustments make big improvements. Tip number 45. Always think before spending. One smart decision can save years of regret. Tip number 46. Surround yourself with financially smart people. Environment shapes habits. Tip number 47. Stay patient with money growth. Wealth takes time. Tip number 48. Be consistent with saving and investing. Consistency beats intensity. Tip number 49. Remember that money is a tool, not the final goal. Tip number 50. Use money to create freedom in your life. Freedom to choose. Freedom to live. Freedom to spend time with people you love. Because at the end of life, the goal is not just having money. The goal is having time, peace, and freedom. And smart money habits make that possible.